Hey guys, Tyler here with Xtool USA. Today we are sitting in a 2017 Chevy Cruze. I have with me a GM09 key from our Nitro key kit that we're going to be programming today using the Nitro GT. So to get this process started, we're going to put the key in the ignition, switch it to the on position, and one quick thing, you will need to have your tablet connected to a hotspot as well in order to read the pin code. So if I hit the home button real quick, you can see I'm connected to the hotspot on my phone, or you can be connected to the Wi-Fi at your shop. However you need to do it, you do need to be connected to the internet. We're going to go to special functions, immobilization, hit agree. We're going to go to GM USA. And then we're going to hit read security code, BCM, and we're going to hit read pin code. And it says this is type 3, do you want to continue? Yes. You must be connected to the network to perform this function. So again, you need to be connected to a hotspot or shop Wi-Fi or something. Have your tablet connected to some internet source and hit OK. Alright, so there's our pin code 0533. I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of that just in case we need it later. 0533 again is our pin code. Alright, do we want to generate a report? I'm going to go ahead and hit no. That'll save our report on your machine so you can access it later. That'll give you the pin code as well. I already took a screenshot of it, so that's fine. So we're going to go back. Now, this is again the main page of GM USA. So instead of the read security code, we're going to go to immobilizer, buy vehicle, Chevrolet, USA, and then we're going to go ahead and select Cruze. And then this one's a 2017, so we're going to select 2017 and up. I'm going to go ahead and check the number of keys. There's currently 3 stored in the memory. And we're going to program a key without smart. So with smart would be a push to start vehicle, without smart is a keyed ignition. This one's a keyed ignition, so we want without smart. And I'm just going to do add key. It says close all doors and switch the ignition on. Alright, so we already have the ignition on, so we're going to go ahead and close the driver's door and select yes. And then we're going to enter in our security code, which was 0533. And hit OK. Hit OK. And now we're going to have to wait 10 minutes for the security timer, and we'll come back after the 10 minutes. Alright, so we have about 20 seconds left on the process. We're going to go ahead and wait these last 10 seconds now, and then complete the process on programming this key. Alright, configuring system. It says first open and close the driver's door, next confirm all electric components are off, and press OK. So it's going to want us to switch the ignition off, open and close the door, and then confirm all of the electronics on the cluster are off. There it goes, and we're going to hit OK. And then it says insert the key which to program and switch the ignition on and press OK. So we're inserting the key, switching it on, and then we're going to press OK. I'll give it a couple seconds. Do you want to program another key? I'm going to go ahead and select no. It says switch ignition off and remove the key and press OK. Open and close the door and confirm all the electronic components are off. So open, close, wait for all the electronics to go off, including that mileage. There it goes, and hit OK. And now we're going to wait 45 seconds. Alright, and then it wants us to switch the ignition on, and then press OK. So we switch it on, hit OK. And then it's gonna have us switch the ignition on and off a couple times. Sorry, I was missing a couple of those menus. And then it says programming is complete. So I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but that car with the padlock, that's our security light. Now when I switch the ignition on with our key, that light is going out and the car should start now and stay on. And we'll go ahead and check our remote as well. The remote programs together, there is no separate procedure for that. And the remote's not working, so I'll go ahead and check my battery. But yeah, the battery may have died on the remote, but the remote does program together on these. So that's the whole process. Thanks, guys. Just as a quick follow-up, I went ahead and replaced the battery on this, and the remote is working now. So yep, that's the whole process, guys. Thanks.